So the question is, do you prefer this open road, free flow, or to have a little bit of traffic, but if you want to maintain your speed, you got to keep going? Oh, something on the road. Okay. All right, we are back with this a little bit. Haven't done the POV in a while. Let's see. One thing that surprises me still, I think, I have a feeling is the same with higher level cars, as in like true M cars, but like this one, the M340 and the 330, they have a lot more wind noise than, let's say, Dodge Charger of all cars. German engineering, German car versus American made. So yeah, German made versus American, and I think it is assembled in Mexico. It's not even American made. It's just an American car, but unless I'm mistaken. Or Canada. Either way. I mean, obviously the build quality inside is better. Still there. The build quality. Oh, really? No. Hazard. Shut up. Like the build quality, obviously, needless to say, it's better here, but a lot more wind noise. I see a Beamer in my rear view. Seats 5, but, or is it? Yeah, I have wet windows, so I cannot see the details. Why are they stopping? What's happening over there? Oh, it's a cop. Oh, he's doing something. Oh, that was interesting. He's just hidden there. I guess he found the spot. He's gonna hunt on the prowl. Morning Sunday drive. I'm gonna talk a little bit because there's not much engine or exhaust noise coming out of these 3 liters, at least. I mean, this one has full catback, matte exhaust, mastery of art and design. A bit disappointed because, from what I understood, my generation has been subdued from the factory, as in the exhaust noise had been detuned. And then if it was like a couple of months older, it would have had a lot more aggressive exhaust note, and it would have those I'm going to use a technical term, brup, on the upshift. And it doesn't. And then burbles are barely audible. Like I have burbles now, but you kind of got to go like, huh? Is that a burble? So very disappointed. The note is a lot nicer than stock. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, damn it.
Car on shoulder ahead.
I don't know why is this important. Like, what do we do with this information? I understand if it was on the road, as in it's taking up the lane, but he's not. Oh, you go, boy, SRT, but he's got busted front bumper. He's been naughty, and it's dirty. My car is dirty, but that's dirty. My car needs a wash, needs a rinse. I saw a post yesterday. They're saying that they're gonna put it to a vote to see they can raise highway limits. That'd be nice. Psychology. I don't like somebody being in front of me. I'm okay here, so it's not like I gotta be faster. I just don't like him being in front of me. So this lane has nobody, so I'm happy cruising here. But if it was more than one car, I might be tempted to go in between, so I get to a point where there's no car in front of me. And I know that that guy is in this lane now, but he's far, so when I get close, I'm gonna overtake him and then probably go back to this lane. The games we play. See, now that guy is going faster, so I'm gonna get into his lane. 15 minutes away. New traffic pattern? The fuck is that? Oh, they just did this road. You can feel the smooth tarmac. Asphalt? Tarmac? Not so smooth anymore. Oh, back to smooth. I'm guessing they're going to expand the road. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe they're just laying pipes. There's some pipes. Coming from Europe, I find it interesting how Europe is built, obviously, because it's a lot older. It's built to sustain a lot less traffic than it has today. The roads are smaller, narrower, less lanes, and it's more congested, as in it's more dense in terms of like the roads and streets. You have less open roads like this, and then when you get to the highways, most part 2 lanes if you're lucky, and then you come here and it's very open, just flat and straight. I mean, okay, I understand that like there are areas where it's not flat, but where I am at the moment, and yet even here with all these, even here with all this vastness, it's becoming congested. Obviously Sunday morning, yeah, it's empty, but when I do my commutes on my way back from work, because in the morning I leave early, so it's not like this, but it's still there's no traffic. I still get to work quick, but what was I gonna say? But insert. Lost the plot. I think I wanted to say that overall, even with all this vastness, it gets congested. You still get traffic, and they're expanding the roads. Like the turnpike going down south, they added 2 lanes, and it made a world of difference. Again, at least at the times when I'm going there, because it used to be congested even in the morning, early in the morning, but now it's just like a free flow. But coming back up, especially the area down Durrell, it's still, I think, only 3 lanes most of the time, which is not enough for the volume that it gets. Ooh, the cows look nice. Metaphorical, like it. I don't know how much the camera is picking up because of the angle, but it looks like there's hope. There's hope. It's dark, it's gloomy, overshadowing, but behind it there's light, so there's hope. I have a feeling I'm saying all of this for nothing because I cannot pick it up. Almost there. 8 minutes. So let me ask this. While obviously you don't want your traffic, you want free flow, at times I do prefer when you have just enough traffic so you can do normal speed, but in order for you to do the normal speed, you got to switch lanes. You got to go back this one, back that one, as opposed to now I'm just doing the speed limit, and I'm just setting one lane and it's just like go. But when it starts picking up a little bit, if you want to do that, you got to keep changing lanes to find the one, to find the gaps. So the question is, do you prefer this open road, free flow, or to have a little bit of traffic, but if you want to maintain your speed, you got to keep going? Oh, that looks like a Porsche, blue one, probably too far for the camera. But yeah, my comment to that is, or my thought to that is, at times I prefer to have a little bit of traffic. It sometimes I will not take the express lane so I can have that. Well, that, and because if you get into an express lane and there's one lane in the express lane and you have a dick driving below speed limit in front of you, you're screwed. So a bit of both. All right. That'll be it for now, gents and ladies, I hope. So Honestly, I'm not sure if this video is going to be part of another video or it's just going to be a POV drive. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. If you watched this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Oh, before we go, let me see if it's gonna pick it up. See? It's faint. Not enough. All right, now. Peace. Oh, and it's raining. The right time. Awesome.